this way right hand when you driving your foot put it on the brake all the time if you want to stop brake like this do not take down your foot on the floor
đừng đặt chân dưới đó nha
when you go out if the bike has any problem or you don't sure for controlling you can stop
tay lấy lụa này giờ tay lấy lụa nè tay lấy lụa